The Gumball Chase. In a town where gumdrops grow tall and run, lived a silly old man with a gumball. He found Il Gobbly it up, he said with a grin. But the gumball rolled off. Ooh, where to begin? It bounced on a cat, who chased it away. Come back, little gumball, the old man did say. It rolled down a hill, through mud and through muck, and the man slipped and splashed. Oh, what rotten luck! With laughter and gall, he picked up the treat. Messy or not, it's a tasty sweet.